Interested in cash back for gas and everyday purchases? Stay tuned. Welcome to Destination Side Hustle. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. In this video, we are reviewing the popular side hustle app, Upside. Upside is a free mobile app that serves as a cashback app for purchasing gas, groceries, or dining. This app is American-based, partners with national and local brands to provide cashback opportunities for purchases. The app is completely free and has a rating on the App Store of 4.8 stars and is a top 15 travel app. The app claims users average about $255 in the first year earnings. Cashback is directly in cash form. There's no confusing reward points, and they can be redeemed directly into your bank account, PayPal account, or through digital purchase of gift cards. Note: bank transfers under $10 have a $1 fee, and PayPal cash outs under $15 have a $1 fee. Gift cards have no fees. How does it work? Simply find an offer of nearby gas stations, grocery stores, or restaurants. You can do this by using the map or list view. Claim the offer, pay using the linked credit card or debit card as you normally would, and within a couple days, you'll have the cash back hit your account. The user face is pretty simple. As you can see at the top here, you have a menu filter for all the different options for cash back. The app defaults to the map view, but if you want the list view, you can simply go to the bottom and swipe up and see a list of all the different merchants and different offers. To the top right, you can see your icon, which you can access all your profile information, and you can see your current account earnings. The activity tab at the bottom has all your different earnings and all your cash outs. Basically, it's a running tally of all your earnings. Upside also has a referral program as well. If people join Upside through your referral network, you can earn 10% for every time they use Upside, and a couple other promotional offers. You can track your referral earnings at the bottom right menu. In addition, Upside offers different promotional challenges as well. Upside has lots of name brand merchants for digital reward cards. This includes companies like Amazon, Starbucks, Lowe's, Target, Walmart, etc. Now, one of the drawbacks of Upside is it does have limits in the participating stores. However, Upside is consistently adding new options for cash back. Some of the gas options include Mobil, Circle K, Chevron, Sinclair, 7-Eleven, and more. Be sure to check the app before making any purchases. In terms of restaurants, there are quite a few national chain options for cash back as well. You can earn from 3 to 8% on some of these retailers. This includes Chipotle, IHOP, Applebee's, Little Caesars, and a lot of different local restaurants as well. All in all, Upside is a nice option, especially when you're getting gas. There's really no inconvenience to the app. You simply claim the offer and you fill up your tank and pay for it just as you regularly would. In addition, there are several dining options to make a little cash back as well. Again, since you're already doing these things, you might as well get a little bit back. This app's not going to make you rich, but it's certainly a little side hustle, especially when you're already making these purchases. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.